Welcome to our journey through JavaScript operators. Today, we're going to explore the different types of operators available in JavaScript. From arithmetic to comparison, and from assignment to logical operators, we'll cover it all. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These are used to perform basic math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next up are comparison operators. These are used to compare values and determine their relationship. Now let's talk about assignment operators. These are used to assign values to variables. Finally, we have logical operators. These are used to perform logical operations like AND, OR, and NOT. Bitwise operators are used to perform operations on the binary representation of numbers. The type of operator is used to determine the data type of a variable. The instance of operator is used to check if an object is an instance of a particular constructor. The void operator is used to return undefined. The delete operator is used to remove properties from objects. When dealing with multiple operators, their precedence is important. JavaScript does not support operator overloading like some other languages. When using operators, it's essential to follow best practices. There are several common mistakes to watch out for. Here are some frequently asked questions. Let's recap what we've learned. Now that you've learned about JavaScript operators, here are some next steps. That's it for today's video.